very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing an easy meal recipe for you that's called as a Keto Protein Granola. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Some mixed granola. We have already done the recipe for this. You can go below and see the link and you'll get the recipe for the same. So that's previously done granola. Epigama, Greek yogurt, natural, cinnamon powder, isolate. Now in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add my Greek yogurt to it. Now to the Greek yogurt, I'm going to add 1.5 scoop of isolate and give it a nice whip. There you go. Now to the isolate and Greek yogurt, I'm going to last add my drinking chocolate. And give a whip for one last time. So this is going to give you a taste like cookies and cream. There you go. And our mixture is ready to go into the pot. And now we're going to add the yogurt over our keto granola nuts. And now at the end we're going to drizzle some cinnamon powder. There you go. Add some cinnamon and some drinking chocolate powder, what we used. And our delicious granola pot is ready. So our super healthy and super delicious Keto Protein Granola is ready. It's really yum. The benefits of the same are it's loaded with antioxidants, it's loaded with protein, and it is great for weight loss. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation every time I do a new video. Also request you to please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and lots of love.